Hello everyone, I'm absolutely shattered. It's another midnight. I'm sleep deprived since the last 3 days doing the turbo build. Here with Paul and Luke. Yeah. Such a lack of enthusiasm right now. Yeah, so we are fitting a Milltek Non-Res CatBack
Loud boy
to the rot box.
It's not a rot box, it's actually quite clean.
So basically,
thank you very much.
The two nuts up there were too rotted to undo.
Okay, they're rotty.
So I had to grind through the two brackets, cut them off because the Milltek comes with new brackets. And
the exhaust hangers off there.
Yeah, just gonna whip this off and whip the new one on. Easy as, boy. Let's get it done. Are you just picking your nose?
I'm scratching my nose. Right, so that's one. Oh, that's like a polyurethane hanger. That.
It is. What's it from there?
I think it is. Get under there. But why would it have a polyurethane on? That's that is a.
Oh! You got it. Fucking hell. Got it. Yeah. No, there's another hanger here.
Why? Oh yeah.
Oh, I love a hanger.
It's fucking heavy. Oh my.
So yeah.
What?
There's like 4 hang. Oh mate, this is gonna fall on me head.
Just driven the car for about 20 minutes. Probably should have waited.
Oh, there you go. You're off. Should be able to pull that straight back now.
Fucking hell. All right.
Oh, it's a big boy.
That wasn't that bad, you know. So yeah, then the Milltek just slips on.
Right.
So there's 4 exhaust hangers. 1, 2. Where's the third one there? 3, 4, and yeah.
Clean this up. Bit of emery paper. Bit of exhaust paste around your pipes.
It's got an adjustable rear hanger somewhere.
Thing is, Luke could have gone home by now, but he loves it.
I love it.
He absolutely loves it. Oh, there's some more rot up there on that hanger. Oh,
I
there's
might
a
have to drop it.
bit more rot. Why?
Because I think I left the exhaust hanger in the back, in the boot. My bad.
Alrighty, so we're at the stage of installing the new one. So it comes with this nifty little reducer that we've just put a bit of jizz paste on.
Jizz paste.
And the jizz paste is literally pre-come-in. So, yes. Yeah, because that goes in that, so we put a bit of paste in there, then that goes over this, bit of paste on there, bish bash. Give it a push.
Yeah.
There you go. Okay,
All the way on?
I think so.
Yeah, all the way on.
Yeah.
Right, hold that there, because I don't really want it hanging on that exhaust.
No, that's alright.
Bob, it's on that fucking...
That's fine, it's fine. The flexes are fine.
Flexes.
Yeah,
That's
fine.
pretty heavy.
Oh, do you want to... Yeah.
Not this hanger. No, a bit to me. A bit to me.
Oh, go on then.
Trying to.
I'm trying to hold it up, boy.
Hold it there, you got it?
I've got it.
Yeah, a bit low. Get on this one, let's hang on this one. Come on, you bastard.
She on?
Yeah, she's on.
Alright. So yeah, then we're just going to get the bracket on that and I'll update you in a second. Back box time.
What are you missing? What are you missing?
I don't know.
Splurge.
Splurge.
Bit of monkey spunk.
Yeah, splurge goes on here.
Go on there. Be rival.
That's what I said, and you were like, no, it goes on this end.
No, that's why I put it on there. It's so late.
It's not late. I'm weak. Yeah.
You haven't been at work today, have you? Luke has. I have.
I've been here. I got here before Luke came to work.
Oh.
Stick it in the hole.
Get it on the flange. I like a bit of flange. This is why you don't put the fucking hangers on yet.
Why? It doesn't look like Paul's got it pissed.
No, I don't help. Let me take that hang off.
Oh no, I need it. It won't go underneath the bumper.
Yeah, because it's
It ain't
not
in yet.
Yeah. Oh, so you need to angle it. That's that hanger.
So it's because that hanger's coming off.
Where's the hanger up here?
Oh.
There's another hanger up here, isn't there?
Yeah, let's come get to it. Probably it. I might not be able to get this one on then. Because it's pushing against it.
It is it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Reckon you be able to do that?
Nearly there. Yeah. So that's it. That's in. Hangers are on. Clamps are about to be done up.
That is the most
Another
simplest
clamp.
thing
I know, it's well
I've
easy.
done in my life with cars.
It's on here, isn't it?
This goes to show
Luke does help.
when you buy expensive parts,
Oh god, it does pay, without a doubt.
not like the fucking
Not like
30s also refitted.
Chinese
Mate.
turbo kits.
You remember that?
You got it.
Alright. Oh, it's quite close.
Yeah, don't want it rattled, yeah.
Voila!
Do you want to whiz these ones up a tab more? Or?
Yeah, he gunned them good. Gunned them good.
Alright, well that's it. It's done.
There you go.
Drop it. Start it up. Drive Alrighty. It's time to start it up. Oh.
You got a cross member.
You forgot the cross member.
Back up.
So now it is time for the first start up.
Yeah?
Yeah, go for it, mate. It's a bit louder. Give it a
Unleash the beast!
Lost that horrible little raspy bit now.
Yeah, I know. It's still exhaust. On the Golf done. Oh, look at that, straight through. And then look at this bad boy. Got another nice little Golf bar here. This is Luke's. It's fucking gorgeous. Brand new. 2018 Golf. Woo. Banging. Yeah. Two bad boy Golfs. And one Civic. But yeah, this is mad now, it's going to be mad. And this all sounds amazing. This video, as always, please like, comment and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye!